Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys a full and detailed review about pawns.app. This video is going to be a step by step walking you through all the process on how to make money with pawns.app. So all you need right now is to stay back right now and watch this video to the end if you know you really want to make money with pawns.app. So the first thing right now you need to do right now is to click on the first link in the description right now to go create an account on pawns.app. So once you click on the first link in the description right now, it's going to take you to this website. So it's going to take you to this website, and this is how pawns.app literally looks like. So right here you could literally earn passive income with pawns.app. So for those of you who do not know what pawns.app is, pawns.app is just a platform whereby they pay you for completing survey, and they also pay you for sharing your internet connection with them. So it's a kind of company that pay you for sharing your internet connection with them. All you need right now is to share your internet connection and you get paid. And I know some people may be wondering that, okay, why are they paying me for sharing their internet connection? The reason they are paying you for sharing their internet connection is because there are some companies out there who literally need your internet connection to be able to access data on the internet. You'll be able to do some research on the internet. So those companies pay pawns.app for them to be able to get data from people. So all they need right now is your data connection. All they need right now is your data connection. And once you share your data connection with them, you are going to get paid. So right now, I'll be walking you through step by step on everything you need to know about pawns.app. So you could see right here, scrolling down with them, these are the companies that they are partner with. You could see right here, this is Fox. They have partnered with Fox company. They have partnered with Market Watch and a lot of company right here. This is digital journals. So you can see right here, this is digital journals right here. You simply make money instantly. With this app, you could literally make money instantly. And like I said earlier, I will be showing you guys my payment proof from this app. So you can see right now, this is the money sent to me by pawns.app right now. You can see right now, this is the money on your screen right now. This is the money sent to me by pawns.app. So right now I'll be walking you through step by step everything you need to know. So the first thing you need to do right now is to click on the first link in the description right now to go download this app on the Play Store or Apple Store. And by the way, this app is literally available on Play Store, is available on Apple Store. So right now I'll be logging into my app right now to walk you step by step process on how the app literally works. So you guys could right now just log in into my app, and the app is going to literally load up. And if you haven't literally created an account, it's going to ask you to create an account. So let me quickly log in out. Let me log out of my account right now to show you guys on how to literally create an account. So let me quickly log out of my. So guys, I already logged out of my account right now, and once you already download the app, I'm going to assume you already download the app. This is how the app is going to look like. All you just need to create an account is just click on start earning right now. Just click on it, and you'll be asked to put in your email right now. You just click on the sign up button right now, and you'll be asked to put in your email, your first name, your last name, and all of that. So you can see right here, they'll be asked you to put in your email, a password here, and also a coupon right now. So the coupon is going to be showing on your screen right now, and also I'll be leaving the coupon in the description. I'll be leaving the coupon in the description right now. So once you use my coupon, you're going to get $1. I also get $1. So it's a win-win for me and you. Once you register with my link, you get $1. I also get $1. So right now, I'll advise you use my coupon, so you're going to get this bonus. So once you are done creating your account, all you just need right now is to click on this sign up button right now. And once you click on this sign up button, it's going to log you into your account. Yeah guys, so I'm done logging into my account back. So once you're already done with the process, go and log into your account, and this is how your account is going to literally looks like. So you can literally looks like, so this is how your account is going to looks like. Because right here, you are gonna, I'm sharing my internet connection with them right now, because right now this is the amount of internet connection I've shared with pawns.app. And like I said earlier, pawns.app literally pays you for sharing your internet. So if I scroll down right now, you're going to see right now that pawns.app is literally sharing my internet. It's literally sharing my internet right here. You could see right here, I'm earning. You could see right here, you are now earning from sharing my internet right now. You could see right now, I'm earning from this app by sharing my internet. All you just need right now is to share your internet connection and stay logged in on this app, and you keep on making money. And you can see right here, this is the amount of money I just made this morning. Right now this is $0.10. So I'm going to be reloading the screen right now to tell you this is not some screenshot or some fake or whatever. So I'm going to reload the screen right now. Let me reload the screen right now. You can see right here it's still there. I'm done reloading the screen right now. You can see right now I'm done reloading the screen and the money is still intact. I'm done reloading the screen right now and the money is still intact. You see right now the minimum payout for this app is $5. So once you already have $5 into your account, it's going to be sent to your PayPal immediately. And by the way, there are various options from this app. You could literally get your money through PayPal, through Bitcoins, through Amazon gift card, and all kind of gift card right here. So all you just need right now is to make sure this thing is always turned on. So once this thing is always turned on, you are gonna get paid. You're gonna start earning money from this website. And by the way, guys, there are various ways you could literally earn money from pawns.app. You could literally earn money from taking survey. Like I said earlier, all you just need to go to the survey option right here. Once you click on the survey option, it's going to ask you to enable your location. And by the way, guys, this app only gives you survey depending on the kind of location you are. For example, maybe if you're in the US, you're in the UK, you're gonna get a lot of surveys in pawns.app. But if you're in third world country like Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, you're gonna be getting little survey right here, because I already completed the survey and I was only given one survey to complete this morning. So all you just need right now, in order to complete the survey, you could just click on this English and you'll be asked to complete a survey. And you could see right now I just completed the survey and the survey just paid me 0.01 cent dollar right now. You see right now you could make a lot of money from this app. You could see right now the third option you could use to make money from this app is by inviting your friends right now. So once you invite your friends, you're gonna get $1 and your friend also is gonna get $1. So you could see right here you are gonna get $1 and your friends is going to get $1. So if you're getting any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so you'll be notified anytime I drop a some video, because these are the kind of video I drop on my YouTube channel. So if this is your first time of streaming right here on YouTube, my name is Ola, and what I do right here on my channel is talk about personal finance. I talk about business and tech, where I'll be showing you guys side hustle you could literally start up right now to make money online for yourself. I also teach business owners, entrepreneurs on how they could literally grow their business with online presence with some online software. So if this is what you are interested in, don't forget to subscribe to that my channel right now, turn on notification so you'll be notified anytime I drop awesome videos like this. So you could literally see right now you could make money by inviting your friends on pawns.app. You get $1, your friend also get $1. So I advise you use my link, use the link in the description right now to create an account for yourself. You're gonna get $1, I also gonna get $1. So you can see right now this is a win-win for me and you. So you can see right now this is how it works. Let me quickly show you guys how it works. So once you click on this how it works right now, you can see right now how does it works. So you could actually see pawns.app enable you to earn money by using your internet connection. Like I said earlier, it's going to reach your data plans for potential and turn into passive income. All they need right now is your data. They're gonna pay you for you sharing your data with them. So once you share your data with them, you're gonna get paid. And by the way, your data are literally safe. Don't be afraid. Your data are safe with pawns.app. All you just need right now is to share your data connection with them and you get paid. So I know you guys may be thinking, is it safe? Because right here, this app is safe. Because right here is built with security and safety and privacy. So there is nothing to worry about. This app is safe. Your data connection is safe, and everything about you it's safe on this app. So once you click on the link right now to download the account and create your account for yourself, you're going to start making money for yourself. Because right there, how much can I earn? You could literally earn 0.20 USD for every GBP, for every GB you share. You could write it written here, you could earn 0.20 for every GB you send. So it depends on the amount of data you are able to share with them. The more data you share with them, the more money you make. Like I said, if you're getting any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification so you'll be notified anytime I drop awesome videos on how to make money online. And by the way, guys, you could also earn more from this website. Like if you have maybe a lot of device, you have a lot of phone, like you have like 3 laptops, 2 laptops, 2 phones, you can literally register your account on this device and you get paid, guys. It's as simple as that. So guys, you have the opportunity to be able to make more money depending on how many device you have. So the more device you have, the more money you make. And by the way, if you only have one device, there's still a lot of you could make money with this pawns.app. You could invite your friends right now to make more money, because right here there's a survey available for me right here to do. So once there's a survey, it's going to be popping up right here. When there's a survey right now, it's going to be popping up right here. So when there's a survey, it's going to be popping up right here. Because right here, there are a lot of surveys I could literally do to earn money for myself. So guys, if you are getting any value from this video, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So if you want to learn the secret I've been using in making over $2,000 every single month, the link is going to be down in the description below to go read my step-by-step book. I've already written all the secrets I'm using in making close to $2,000 every single month, guys. And by the way, guys, if you do not have a PayPal account and you want to create a PayPal account, a video is going to be popping up right now showing you guys on how to create a PayPal account, because pawns.app is going to pay you into your PayPal account. That's the reason why it's very essential for you to go create a PayPal account. And by the way, you could literally, in order to locate the payment method, just go to the payout section right now. You're going to see different payment method you could use to cash out your earnings. You're going to see different payment method you are going to use to cash out your earnings. And by the way, you can also log pawns.app on your Chrome browser for more experience. So you can also log the pawns.app on your Chrome browser. So once you log in on your Chrome browser, it's going to give you more experience on how to make money online. So like I said earlier, I prefer to use pawns.app on my Chrome browser right now than using my mobile. So you can say these are the various payment method available. So right here, you could literally withdraw money through PayPal, through Bitcoins. And by the way, this is going to depend on the kind of country you're coming from. If you're in the UK, the in the US, Canada, these are the payment option for you. But if you are in Nigeria right now, the payment method for you is only through PayPal right now. That's the reason why I say you should go create a PayPal account. I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to create a step-by-step PayPal account that can receive money and also send money right now. So go watch this video that's going to be popping up on your screen right now, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video.